It was the hardest boyfriend I ever had to break up with. Once I have children, the kids come first, one thing at a time, for me. Guns are beautiful, but I don't like what they do. I love crying at romantic movies. I have my team. I'm like always see everyone around me. I have my hair and makeup girl, my assistant. He's 19 years of age. He's a fiery character and competitive. I think maybe when he sees things that are a bit of an injustice against him, then he reacts like that.